Thin clients are a smart and cost-effective option for many organizations. And with TSplus Remote Access, they can become even more valuable. In many companies, without thin clients, teams rely on full PCs. That usually means higher hardware costs and more upgrades over time. It can also mean more work for IT, updates, patches, troubleshooting, device by device. And since performance depends on local hardware, users may run into slow systems, compatibility issues, or machines that simply fall behind. That's why many businesses are shifting to thin clients with centralized management. It's a simpler model, and it helps keep everything consistent. Now, here's where TSplus Remote Access comes in. TSplus helps you get the most from thin clients by keeping applications, files, and policies securely centralized on the server, while still giving users fast, reliable access. From one admin console, IT teams can manage users, publish applications, and apply policies without configuring every device separately. And because most of the processing happens on the server, even lightweight thin clients can run smoothly. This can extend hardware life and reduce overall costs. Updates and security settings are applied once on the server, and they take effect across all connected devices. Another big benefit is security. Since key apps and data stay in the data center, there's less sensitive information stored locally. TSplus also gives you flexible connection options. You can use Remote Desktop for full desktop sessions. You can publish specific apps using Remote App. Or you can use the HTML5 web portal for easy browser-based access without installing anything. You can even customize the portal with your branding so it feels consistent and professional. Setup is straightforward. Install TSplus Remote Access on your Windows server, then manage everything through the admin tool. Publishing applications takes only a few clicks, and you can assign apps and access modes to users or groups. On the security side, TSplus includes TLS and HTTPS encryption and supports two-factor authentication. And for stronger protection, the Advanced Security add-on helps defend against threats like brute force attacks and ransomware. And as your needs grow, TSplus can scale with you, with features like load balancing, failover, and centralized management through the Farm Manager. Licensing is simple and flexible, and you can try it free for 15 days. So if you're looking for a simpler way to deliver secure desktops and applications to thin clients, TSplus Remote Access is a great choice. For more information and advanced documentation, please visit our website, tsplus.me.